How to create dependencies in ClickUp 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead and discussing on how you can create dependencies for yourself on ClickUp. So, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to open your ClickUp, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to open up any task, okay? So let's say I'm going to open up this task right here. Now, once you open up your task right about here, is what you're going to be doing is you're basically going to go over ahead and scroll down to where it's going to give you the proper dependencies. Okay. Now, in some cases, it might not give you dependencies over here. You can find checklists and you can find subtasks. And in some cases, you might get custom fields over here. Now, in those custom fields, you might get the dependencies to work along with. Okay. And in some cases, you might not get it. So to find those dependencies, do make sure to scroll down to the details section, okay? And you can find those details usually either over here or you can find them right up here where you can create dependencies for yourself. And in the case that your plan does not allow that, you can simply go over to, AI, and you can go ahead and write how to set up dependencies. Okay, so according to your plan, it will let you know how those dependencies are going to work for you and how you're going to be setting one up for yourself in the easiest way. So, there's no specific asset in the workspace that can help you create a dependency. So what you can do is you can, go ahead and research the articles on ClickUp where they give you a proper intro to dependency relationships or reschedule your different dependencies. But those dependencies obviously depend on your Gantt views, your list views, and the different types of, business guides that you're creating for your CRM. So generally, dependencies will depend on the different, general tasks and workings you are adding into your main task section. Okay. And to check those dependencies out, obviously you can always go over to this section where it's going to tell you those dependencies. So you're simply going to right click over to the tasks, click on dependencies over here. Now, you can add different types of dependencies for yourself. You can add them on waiting on, add them on blocking or tasks. So let's say I'm going to add a linked task. So we're going to add this task over here and I'm going to add a task that is blocked. Let's add this one over here and add a waiting task. Let's add percentages. So once we do that, there you can see you have set it up dependencies for the algebra task that I've created over here, and it waits for those dependencies. So before those are completed, this cannot be done. So that is basically how you're going to be setting up dependencies on your ClickUp. So thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.